kindergarten. Today we're going to explore the number 8. So our math thinking job is I can count and model numbers to 8 objects in lines and arrays with matching the number. Thumbs up and repeat after me. I can count and model numbers to 8 objects in lines and arrays with matching the number. Great, let's dive right in. Before we dive right in, who remembers what we call this mat? What do we call this mat? Did you say a 10 frame? You got it. It's a 10 frame because we have 10 dots. Remember, it's an array. It has rows and it has columns. This helps us organize our counting and know how many counters or cubes or whatever materials we're using we have while we count. So we're going to start out with 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to add 2 more. Now that I've added 2 more, I notice my 5 is taking up the first row. What do you remember I need to do with the 2 I just added? I need to put the 2 on the bottom 5 row. This top 5 row is already filled with our 5 cubes. So we're going to move these 2 cubes down to the bottom row, and that makes how many cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We just finished up with the number 7 yesterday. So I'm going to add 1 more cube. Where should I put this 1 cube? Did you say down here at the bottom? You got it. So how many do I have in my top row? 5. How many do I have in my bottom row? 3. Let's count to see how many cubes I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 cubes. 8 is 1 more than 7. 8 is 1 more than 7. We write the number 8 like this. Now, I see that I have 5 cubes in the top row and 3 cubes in the bottom row. If I want to write a number sentence, I could write 5 plus, because I'm putting numbers together, 3 equals 8. My hidden partners in the number 8 are 5 and 3. Now that we've looked at our cubes in the 10 frame, let's put our cubes in a tower. I took my 5 green cubes and my 3 blue cubes and I put them in a tower. Can you see the 5 and the 3 hiding in the 8? Now we're going to take them apart. And I put my cubes into rows. I made my rows so I had the green on the top and the blue on the bottom. Let's count to make sure I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have I organized my cubes in an array or just one line? I organized them in an array. Remember, arrays are rows and columns. Now, I wonder if we put our cubes into columns. Now, let's see what the hidden partners are now that I've moved my cubes into an array. We still have 8 cubes. The way I organize them shows I have 4 green cubes and 4 blue cubes. What are our hidden numbers? Did you say 4 and 4? You're right. if I want to write this in a number sentence, I would write 4 plus 4 equals 8, or 8 equals 4 plus 4. My hidden partners are 4 and 4. Now, I wonder if I put these back into towers and make them columns. Do I still have the same amount of cubes? How many cubes do I have on each side? I still have 4 and 4. I just organized them in a tower in one line. We just saw them organized in array, in rows and columns. Now I just have a line. However, I still have 4 and 4. What are my hidden partners? 4 and 4. Let's see. I'm going to color 5 diamonds, one color, and then I'm going to color them a different color. Then your teacher is going to pause the video and count all of the diamonds, find out how many, and then find the hidden parts. So I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green, and 1, 2, 3 pink. Your teacher's going to pause the video, count all of the diamonds, and then find the hidden partners. Did you guys say I had 8 diamonds altogether? You're right. And my hidden partners are 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is 8. Let's try this one. I'm going to color 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to draw 3 circles below. 1, 2, 3. Your teacher's going to pause the video and count all of the circles and then find out what are our hidden partners. Did you say I have 8 altogether? And my hidden partners are 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Is that what you came up with? Great job. Let's try this one. I'm going to color 4 squares red. Color 4 squares red. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to color 4 squares blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your teacher's going to pause the video, count all my squares, and then find out what are my hidden partners. Did you say I had 8 squares? You're right. My hidden partners are 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Great job. Let's try this one. I'm going to color 6 squares red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then color 2 squares blue. 1, 2. Your teacher is going to pause the video. You're going to count all of the squares, find out how many all together, and then find my hidden partners. Did you say I had 8? You're right. My hidden partners are 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So many hidden partners of 8. We know 5 and 3 are hidden partners. We know 6 and 2 are hidden partners. And 4 and 4 are hidden partners, all of 8. Now it's your turn in Seesaw. You're going to be coloring ladybugs the same way I did. You're going to color 5 ladybugs one color and then the rest another color and count how many. Then you're going to draw your own squares and write the number and continue to color in arrays and count in arrays and color in lines and write in lines as well as count. All right, Kipsters, see you later.